Is your Hostinger content exposed? Secure any page instantly with a password. Protect exclusive content, member areas, or private information easily. Take control now. We'll dive into the Hostinger Builder, walking you through the precise steps to enable password protection. Then customize your page's secure access and design effortlessly. Alright, let's jump right in. The very first thing we need to do is open up our Hostinger website builder. This is where all the magic happens, and it's super intuitive once you know where to look. Once you're logged in, head over to the specific page you want to protect. For this demo, I'm navigating to a page I've called New Empty Page. This could be an existing page with premium content, a member-only section, or even a hidden page you're preparing. Just make sure you've selected the correct page from your site's navigation menu. Now that we're on the right page, the next step is to access its individual settings. Look for the More_Horizon icon. That's the one that looks like 3 little horizontal dots. It's usually located right next to your page's name in the left sidebar of the Hostinger Builder. Give that a click, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with a bunch of options for this particular page. Alright, within this drop-down menu, you'll see several options. We're specifically looking for the one related to security and access. You'll spot an icon that looks like a little key. It's the VPN_key icon. This is our gateway to adding password protection, so go ahead and click on it. Okay, so you've clicked the key icon, and now you'll see the actual password protection settings for your page. There's a really important toggle switch right at the top. It's usually labeled something like Enable Password Protection. This is what turns the feature on. Go ahead and click that toggle, represented by the highlight in the screenshot. You'll see it switch to an on position, probably changing color or sliding across. This activates the password feature, so your page is now ready to be secured. Now pay attention to this one. This is where you actually set your password, and the message people will see. After you've enabled the toggle, you'll see a field appear where you can enter your password. Go ahead and click on that field, which is indicated by the highlight in our guide. Choose a strong, secure password that only the intended audience will know. Think about who needs access and how you'll share it with them. And here's the thing, right below the password field, you'll also find a spot to customize the message that visitors see when they try to access the page. This is fantastic for letting people know why the page is protected or how they can gain access. Because we're walking through the Hostinger interface step by step, you know these instructions are current and practical for setting up these specific details. Okay, so the functional stuff is done, but now let's make it yours. Hostinger lets you customize the appearance of this password page, which is a really nice touch. It means you can keep your brand consistent even on a protected page. Look for the Design tab or button within the password protection panel. Go ahead and click on Design. This opens up a whole new set of options for making that entry page look great. Inside the design settings, you'll see options for things like background, buttons, and what we're after now, texts. Click on the Texts option. This allows you to specifically edit the wording, fonts, and colors of the text elements that appear on your password-protected page, ensuring it fits seamlessly with the rest of your website's design. It's all about providing a smooth, branded experience for your users. Alright, you've configured your password, crafted your message, and customized the design. The very last step, and arguably the most crucial one, is to save all these changes. Look for the Save button. It's usually at the bottom of the settings panel. Give that a confident click. This will apply all your settings, publish the changes, and make your chosen page officially password protected. Great job. And just like that, you've completely transformed your Hostinger website. You've gone from struggling with open, unprotected pages to confidently securing specific content with passwords. Now you can create those exclusive member areas or private sections you've always wanted. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.